The 23rd Rainforest Festival was held on Friday by members of the Shango community. The Afrocentric celebration, which was held in Santa Cruz, was explained by one of the community's leaders.
The Rain Festival signifies to a large extent the interaction of human beings with nature. And the significance of rain to the natural environment.
The leader added there are other elements of the celebration.
The Gungung procession is dedicated to the ancestors, commemorating their movement and their significance in the tradition.
Community members from various Shango communities across the country joined in to celebrate this year's Rainforest Festival.